They're saying, oh, by the way, when I paid off my house the other day, it's worth $450,000. I've got a little over $1 million in my 401k, so I'm worth $1.5 million. I'm a baby steps millionaire. And that's where it comes from. They followed the baby steps. Baby step 1 through 3 is basically get out of debt and build your emergency fund. And 4 is put 15% of your income into retirement. Now, the average household income is $60,000. If you put 15% of $60,000 away from age 30 to age 65, you'll have between $5 and $10 million in your mutual funds. And so if I'm 10x, 5x wrong, which I'm not, you'd still be a millionaire, and that's how ridiculously simple this is. Now, that's not billionaire. You're not going to have 7 Lamborghinis and a private jet. A billionaire is 1,000 million. There's a lot of difference in Elon or